Hi everyone, welcome back. So if you're watching this video, it means you have submitted your profile and documents as a vendor for verification. So we're going to log in to check if our account has been verified. As usual, we go to sign in, we enter our email and password. Remember me, and we log in. Yeah, we have been verified. Now we have so many messages here telling us to, okay, the first one says payment account setup required. You must complete your payment account setup before you can create products and receive payments. This ensures you can receive your share of sales proceeds automatically. Of course, as a vendor, you have to set up an account so that when customers make purchases, you can receive this money in your account. So all we need to do is simply click on setup, and we're brought here. We enter our phone number here again and save changes, and then we come here, we click on this drop down and select our bank. I'm going to be setting this account up with an OPay account, so I look for OPay. Okay, OPay Digital Services, and then I enter my account number. So after writing my account number, I have to verify. You have to click on verify to be sure your account number is correct and exists. So you click on verify, and I wait a few seconds, and it returns my name with a success message, and it also says account verified successfully. You can now save your payment details. Then I go ahead and click save payment details, and the system saves my account. Shows me a verified badge here with my account number and my name and my bank. Yeah, so that's that for setting up your account details. There's a very important next step, which is delivery fees. You go to the left pane or this menu and you see delivery fees. It's very important to set up delivery fees, except you want to deliver product to your customers for free, because the system will automatically believe that your delivery fees are zero if you do not set up your delivery fees. So we go to the delivery fees page and simply click either of the buttons, add your first delivery fee or add delivery fees, whichever one works. So what we do here is that you select a state. There are 36 states here plus the FCT. You can set a delivery fee for each of these states, any of the states, because of course the distances are not the same, so the costs are different. So it depends on how you as a vendor decides to determine the delivery fee for each location. So it's always good to start with the delivery fee of where your business is located. So let's assume our business is located in Abia. We set it asks us to select the city in Abia. Is this statewide? Are you setting this delivery fee for the anywhere within the state, or are you setting it for Abia or Umuahia? Let's assume we're setting it for statewide. Anywhere you are in the state, we are going to deliver to you for, say, these are just assumptions, say 3,000, and then we add this fee. Okay, city is required. We have to select one of these cities, so we select Aba, and then we add fee, and just like that it adds this fee. Now this delivery fee, whenever anyone enters their address as Aba, or rather their address contains their city as Aba. This is the delivery that will apply to them. So if you need people in Umuahia to pay a different delivery fee, then you just need to go back here and select Abia again, but this time around you select Umuahia. And same applies to all different states. Now, if you want any delivery fee that is outside of Abia State, which is your current location, to be say a flat rate, say 4,000, 5,000. Let's assume, okay, if you're outside of Abia State, the delivery fee will be 5,000 wherever you are. All you need to do is say select a second state, say Adamawa, select just one city, say Yola, but then you come here and ensure you check this box. See what the box says. Set as default fee for all areas not specifically covered. So this delivery fee you'll be setting here, 5,000, will cover for every area that you haven't specifically set a delivery fee. That is when you check this box. But if you don't check this box, it will apply to only Adamawa and the city you selected. But if you check this box, it will apply to Adamawa and every other city you haven't set a specific delivery fee for. So most vendors might not want to set a delivery fee for each location. So they might want to use just a default fee that can cover for any location. It all depends on how you want to set up your store. And remember, the delivery price matters because it will determine the final price at checkout, and then it creates competition between vendors. So it's important to pay very close attention to this part and get it right from the beginning. So we can decide to add this fee, this 5,000 naira, as fee for every other location outside of Abia. Remember, this is a demonstration. You have to determine your own and set it the way you like it. So there, we've added this delivery fee. These are the two most important things to do post verification: setting up your payment and setting up your delivery fee. You can decide to go to your store and update your store description and add a store logo. It's important. If your business name or store name has changed or you want to update it, you can update it here and save changes. Yeah, so in the next video we'll look at how to add products to your store. There are two main categories of products: simple products and products with variants. From the subsequent videos we'll look at this.